Hi everybody, my name is Hady. I am the product development manager for IC Realtime. And I'm here to talk to you guys today about a new little mini PTZ without the Z called the Orbit. This will be added to our dash line. It supports auto tracking, privacy mode, and two-way talk. Now let's go ahead and take it out and show you guys what we're working with. Obviously we got the nice fancy packaging. A lot of tape. Let's put that to the side, and this is the Orbit. This little guy moves left and right. You can get the full view around the room as much as you want, up and down. And when it goes in privacy mode, the lens actually goes into the housing so it doesn't see you. It's as easy as pressing a button on the screen, and I'll show you that a little bit later after we set it up. The auto tracking will track people and objects that move around in the room, so you can just leave it and it can do its own thing. You can also manually control the PTZ functions through the actual app itself as well. All right, so now let's get this actually set up. First thing is we actually need a power supply that comes with this in the box. Comes with everything that you would need. Comes with also a little mounting plate if you decide to hang it on your roof and mount it or attach it against the wall. It's simply, you just screw this into the wall, and when you mount it on the wall, this sits there, twists, and it locks in place. And now it will be hung on the roof or on your wall, wherever you want it in the room. Or you can just leave it on the counter like we usually do. Now everybody should be familiar with a USB cable. Give you a nice long cable, long enough so you can put it wherever you like. Of course, all you need is simply power. And it plugs into the back of your unit. And for those that want high-speed internet directly to it, you can wire your Orbit directly to your modem. However, it's not needed. You're going to give it a few moments. The light's going to go from red to green, indicating that it's actually powered on and ready to go. Now, for the first-time users that don't actually have the app, we're just now getting this system set up. When this thing first boots up, it'll tell you it's hotspot's enabled and ready for pairing. But for those that need the application for the first-time setup, on the back of the actual box itself, you can scan the QR code that will take you to your designated app store for the actual app to download and install. The app is totally free. All you have to do is sign up with your email. All right, guys, and that is basically the Orbit in a nutshell. This is available now on icrealtime.com, or please contact your national sales rep for any further details. Thank you for joining us.